leather, turbocharged. You'll never pay too much at Chapman Ford Lincoln Mercury Mazda. With our 5-day money-back guarantee, you can buy this Hyundai Sonata with confidence. If you decide that the vehicle you purchased is not exactly what you wanted, you can return the vehicle up to 5 days after taking delivery without penalty. This is not an exchange policy. It is a true 5-day money-back return policy. We just have a limit of 500 miles on the vehicle from delivery. If you demand the best things in life, this terrific 2011 Hyundai Sonata is the low-mileage car for you. Ranked among the top 3 affordable mid-sized cars for 2010 by U.S. News. This Sonata is an amazingly fuel-efficient Hyundai. No longer will you break the bank when you pull up to the gas pump.